respected dignitaries, distinguished leaders, esteemed jury members, award recipients, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार. I was just sitting and pondering upon कि who is the biggest patriot in the country? सबसे बड़ा देशभक्त कौन है हमारे लिए? Because I was sitting beside Chima sir, who is decorated war soldier 1971. Then I gradually started feeling that anybody who provides livelihood to anybody in this country is the biggest patriot. Even if you have employed a maid in your house, the earnings which she gets from you enables her to live a life. And we as CEOs who run such massive organizations and entrepreneurs who provide livelihood to a very large population are definitely doing a great service to the nation. See, I keep on telling people कि दो काम बहुत मुश्किल हैं लाइफ में. एक पैसा कमाना, creating profit or earning money is not easy thing in life. Second is earning acceptability. Having acceptability among all members within the family or in society or at your workplace is not a easy thing. So, anybody, I used to hear that behind every successful man there is a woman. Now I have started realizing that behind every successful organization there has to be a good CEO. And he makes all the difference. If the leader is good, he can align everybody with him. See, all of us are finally a story here. हम लोग सब एक कहानी है. And even while we are alive, we keep on narrating our story. हम ये थे, हम यहाँ से यहाँ आ गए. I made such and such difference in life. And we rejoice telling those stories. I also do. मैं भी अपनी कहानी का बैंड बजाता रहता हूँ कि यार मैं मजदूर से शुरू हुआ था, मैं तो ब्लास्ट फार्नेस में लोहा ढालता था, and I went to the board of multinational this, that and story. Now, there is nothing wrong in it. Even when we are not there, we will be a story for the people to remember for that matter. But the narration of the story is with arrogance or with humility that makes lot of difference. आपकी कहानी अहंकार रहित है या अहंकार सहित है, that will make a lot of difference in your life as well as in the lives of people. And I want to tell you, like now I am in a B school. पहले मैं टाटा स्टील में था, फिर I went to Honda, and then now I am with XLRI, which is the oldest business school in India, and I teach over there, and I also look after their strategy and HR area. So many a times people ask, sir पहले तो आप होंडा में थे, आजकल आप क्या करते हैं, ये क्या बनाता है XLRA? And I have to tell them, भाई XLRA आदमी बनाता है. And when you operate in a place like Jhajjar, where the educational levels even one decade back would not have been considered to be very great. So for them, they know IIM now, it has gone to Rohtak and all, but they may not be aware of especially the rural belt. So now what I see is that where is the focus of the youngsters? देखिए हमारे टाइम में the life was difficult. We used to work hard, and after working hard, we used to save money, and then we used to go for purchases. And that used to be the standard pattern of life. Then the patterns changed. You don't need to wait for your entire life to get the best of the things available in the market. What you need is 3 salary slips, maybe last 2 years ITR, and that is done. That will get you the stuff that you want. And all life you keep on paying EMIs, and that created another wave, or it gave a kick to the consumption patterns also. But then again there has been a hit. जब EMI की पहली किश्त कटती है कार की और पता चलता है कि 15,000 रुपये निकल गए हैं सैलरी से, तब लगता है यार ये 15,000 का इंक्रीज आने में तो पिछले 3 साल लगे थे. तो अगली बार आदमी जल्दी से वो लोन लेने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता है. जेरी हैज़ शोन मी द वॉच ऑलरेडी, सो आई विल नॉट टॉक एनीथिंग मोर, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू से 2-3 थिंग्स विच आई बिलीव. वन इज, कमज़ोर होना सबसे बड़ा पाप है. टू बी वीक इज़ द बिगेस्ट सिन. ताकतवर होना ही सबसे बड़ा पुण्य है. बट डोंट यूज़ योर स्ट्रेंथ इन सप्रेसिंग द अदर. ठीक है. देन someone said recently कि जो आपके अंदर ही नहीं है वो आपके अंदर से बाहर आ ही नहीं सकता. एंड आई एम ए वेरी फर्म बिलीवर ऑफ डैट. जो आपके अंदर गया ही नहीं है कभी, वो आपके अंदर से बाहर कभी आएगा ही नहीं. और अंदर गया कैसे होता है? आइदर इट इज़ हेरिडिटी और कंडीशनिंग विच हैज़ फोर्स्ड अस इनटू व्हाट वी आर. जिन हालातों से गुजरे हैं, देयर हैव बीन चॉइसेस इन लाइफ, and we have made some choices that has brought us here, which has brought us up or brought us down. So the choices that we make will make all the difference. So friends, let us be very careful. Second thing, मुझे एक चीज़ और लगती है कि we were lamping this lamp lighting was going on, and I was feeling कि एक जलता हुआ दिया कई बुझे हुए दियों को जला सकता है. So even if there is one member in the family who is successful, he will pull all others. If there is one entrepreneur in the society who can show the way, it will help them a lot. And I see Jerry looking at watch time and again, so I will have to stop here. But वो हम वो गाना सुनते थे, जहाँ 2 यार मिल जाए वहाँ रात हो गुलजार. Now I have to say, जहाँ 2 सरदार मिल जाएं वहाँ स्पीकर हो तैयार. All the best to you, Jerry.